Hey everyone, how you doing? Thanks so much for clicking on this video. It's gonna be awesome. So this week for my nail tutorial, I am going to do some ocean beach nails, as you know from clicking on this video. But I'm going to do that this week, and it's gonna be awesome. I have done this one last year, so this is going to be a little bit different. I'm excited, and so let's get started. But before I get started and you continue watching, go down below and subscribe, hit the great notification bell, because so you can be notified for all of the videos that I do each week. Also, after you subscribe to the video and hit that great notification bell, like this video and also share it, because everybody wants to be on the beach, and a nice beach nail tutorial will make someone happy. So go ahead and share it, like it, and do what you do. But sit back and relax, and let's get started with this video. You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh. So are you excited for this nail tutorial? I am, if you can't tell. So to start off with this nail tutorial, with the way you see, I'll show you the way you see how I do them. Apply 2 coats of the blue and the gold nail polish.
Can't sleep when you're not around me. Love me tonight. Ride with me to some different places like you have never seen. Come set me free. I can take it longer, I know. You and me, we can split the ocean, baby. You and me, till the night is up.
Once you apply 2 coats of the gold and the blue, something else to prep the nails before you do all the pretty designs. With the gold, you want to use a gold glitter, and you want to use a makeup sponge wedge, and you want to put that glitter on the makeup sponge wedge, and you want to pat that glitter on so it looks more packed together and more filled in and more opaque and more creamier and more looking good.
We stop time right now, so we fall a bit deeper. Love me tonight. Ride with me to some different places like you have never seen. Come set me free. I can take it longer, I know. You and me, we can split the ocean, baby.
Once you have all that on the gold parts, you want to start with the water to make it more look like water. So in a bowl, as you'll see, or a cup, and fill it with water, and you want to put some drops of a light blue nail polish into there, just a couple drops. Then with a spray bottle, any kind of spray bottle that you want, with water, and you want to spray into the water, just spray into the water, and so the light blue nail polish will scatter. And then you want to dip just the blue part of each nail into water with the nail polish. So you want to do each one individually, or try to do 2 at a time, and then clean it around the edge so the light blue polish don't go into the sand gold part.
I see you in my mind, daydream whatever, I'm with you. Love me tonight. I've been thinking about you. Can't sleep when you're not around me. love me tonight.
Once you have that done, you want to use a white. So you want to just kind of glide some white on top of the median that sections off the gold and the blue together, and you want to add some white there. Then with the makeup sponge wedge, you're going to want to like dab on it to make it more fade out and creamy. You might have to do a couple coats of that to the opacity that you want, but you want to make it look like some water, as you'll see in the video. Be surprised, it's cool.
This is all that we need. Watch me, pull me a bit closer. Love me tonight. Could we stop time right now so we fall a bit deeper? Love me.
Okay, once you have all that nitty gritty stuff, you're not done. So on the wedding finger, I'm going to draw some footprints in the sand. So, you know, draw a left foot, right foot, draw some dots with a dotting tool for like the feet, as you see, and add some detailing with dark brown, light brown. Finger, I'm going to make a starfish. And apply some detailing on that. So then around the starfish, I'm going to apply some caviar beads, some pearl nail beads, and maybe even some like colored nail beads as well to give it that, I don't know, ocean vibe to it. And also on the other nails, add some pearl beads, caviar beads, just a little bit around the cuticle area, as you see, and apply just not a lot, but enough, like around the top of the cuticle area, some nail jewels to jiffy it up and make it look good.
Ride with me to some different places like you have never seen. Come set me free. I can take it longer, I know. Watch me, pull me a bit closer. Love me tonight. Could we stop time right now so we fall a bit deeper? Love me tonight.
Once you have all that done, you should be able to seal the deal with your top coat, which I have the Pro Effects Quick Drying High Gloss Top Coat.
I know.
Okay, how do you think these nails turned out? I thought they were pretty awesome. Just love them. So yeah, so I hope you like them. I hope you recreate them and be happy with them. But before you go, if you haven't already, just a reminder, go down below and subscribe. There's nothing wrong with it. Just go ahead and subscribe and hit the great notification bell so you be notified. Hit like, hit the share button, share it to everyone out into the world. And so whatever you do, I appreciate it a lot. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I see you next week with another tutorial, but later this week with another design tutorial. Links down below, and bye guys.